Ball in the middle. What a freshman season he's had.
Here they come. Oh, dropped out.
3rd and 13. Fields does have time and now takes off. Makes a cut. Hits a hard hit by Skalski, who knocks him down 2 yards short, and Fields is still down.
He took that shot right in the ribs on the right side of his, right in between it looked like the rib cage and maybe the back part of his ribs. Again, a big quarterback that can do a lot of damage to a lot of teams when he runs, but 47, a physical tackler, hits him short of that first down and lowers the boom there.
Skalski plays with a memory of his dad, who told him when he was a young player, son, when you hit him, make him feel you. Now, Skalski was ejected for targeting from the championship game a year ago. Talk about different fuel. That's provided him fuel. Just in the midsection of Fields, who was still being looked at.